Question 1. Which country has the Bengal tiger as its national animal? Answer A. India. Question 2. Which country has the lion as its national animal? Answer C. Both A and B. Question 3. Which country has the panda as its national animal? Answer B. China. Question 4. Which country has the kiwi as its national animal? Answer B. New Zealand. Question 5. Which country has the Komodo dragon as its national animal? Share your answers in the comments.